Here we got another eBay package. I'm gonna box it right now. I got the shipping label off. It says fragile. You insert the light bulb in there again. So I unbox it. Just rotating it around so the light. Open yet. Maybe. That's the adhesive. Oh. It's gotta be extra careful. Gotta remove the tape. There we go. There might be a shipping loss. That's careful again. And I left secured a bag. I don't even have to test this. This is a new product. Never used it. It's all new old stuff. There's a IKEA very small compact fluorescent light bulb. That is super duper nice. It's a very nice bulb. It's an R14 shaped bulb. It's equivalent to a 25 watt incandescent R14 spotlight bulb. It's rated to last up to 8,000 hours. So it's comparable to 1,000 hour incandescent light bulbs. That's pretty nice. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I want to send this on Instagram as well.